Well, we have the most perfect day for you. A warm hello, a special place on this most idyllic of days. A fixture ahead of us to which we've all been looking forward for so very, very long, and it means so very, very much. The scene could not be more beautiful. The pitch looks terrific. The player, Zinchenko, has been caught there. It's a foul. Up for a header! Decent attempt, but not quite good enough. That's not going to make it. Hoists it forward. He gets past his man. It's come through, goes for goal! Inzaghi opts to play it back. Messi! Messi! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra-sharp.
Trying to play for a goal kick. Zinchenko plays it forward. Müller. Mbappe. Zinchenko. Bergkamp. Müller tried to play it through.
Oh, Peter, his body shape was a giveaway before he made the pass, and its obviousness was appreciated.
Ball's loose, who's getting there? And the whistle has gone for a reckless challenge there. Well, that's a booking, always looked it. Van Dijk. He's looked long this time. He's through. Bergkamp. Well, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. The referee has resisted the temptation to go to his pocket. It's just a stern lecture. Sergio Ramos, third of the match or thereabouts gone, and we still await the first goal. Tries to stroke it through. Goes for goal! Maradona standing over it. There's always going to be the keepers. That's a promising ball. That's clear cut. That's a free kick. Roberto Carlos, Bruno Fernandes, just brushed off the ball there. Bruno Fernandes. Müller Tries to get it forward quickly. He's pinged one through here. Big chance! Same again, same outcome.
They're just lacking a cutting edge, Peter, and while that's fairly obvious, the rest of their attacking play is actually quite good.
It's a good-looking cross. Towering header! Oh, not the best of headers.
Good play all round. He was well hustled and still got a shot away.
Very well to intervene. Roberto Carlos does well to read it and intercepts. Sancho provides an outlet. Great lead! Marvellous goal!
For such a big name in your side to register very close to the break, not only creates a real buzz in the dressing room during the break, but dispirits the opposition too, and sets up a decent chance to go on and finish this game to their liking.
What a great header, got plenty on that.
Well, as contact goes, that was tremendous, and it helped him to direct it exactly where he wanted into that net. I think when it comes to the area of the park, this fella is definitely...
The referee brings the first half to a close. So there you have it, a close sport half of football. It still had its moments, and ultimately produced just one goal. What a decent game up to now. The first half compared with your expectation?
Well, I think there's plenty to be pleased about with that first half display in terms of the score and overall approach.
Leading 1-0 at the break. The second half gets underway.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Mbappe pings it out wide. Up to meet it! Just off target.
Sancho certainly could have and should have made more of that.
Yeah, from both sides, in fact. Messi drives it forward, and he's straight offside. Upamecano. Van Dijk cuts it out. Gets the better of his man. And he's there to cut it out. Messi. He's made sure that that won't get through. And it's played forward. Gets up to head it! Well, that wasn't too dissimilar to the previous attempt. No, that's not the ball he wanted. Nice little flick. Shot a goal! Oh, he's managed to get it all wrong.
The timing of the pass and run was exquisite.
Time and again they are repelled. Sancho unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. And it's Messi. Oh, shooting chance!
Milan showing a little more urgency now, and to be honest, Peter, this is what's required.
imagine there's not too much subtlety or sophistication about this. It really is a question of needs must.
Just has to be done.
Messi. De Bruyne tries lifting it over. And they've been caught out here. Mbappe. Dinks one in.
This is good ball retention, and it should be enough from here.
Has a goal! And that could come back to haunt them.
Yeah, he was just a little too eager to get his chance away there, and it could have level matters.
Mbappe! Oh, well defended, that had to be done.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
There's a long ball. Zinchenko. Almost there, and the players can feel it. De Bruyne. That intervention was very necessary. Salute had a shot. Oh, it's hit the post. That's a foul. Simple decision for the referee. And you would probably say it's too far out for a shot. Milan have turned to their bench, and we're going to have a substitution. Well, the referee's seen the board, and he's going to allow a double change to go ahead now. Gets it back. Sergio Ramos concedes a free kick for that. Mbappe, who has made his impact already. Keeper's ball. Brings it to a close. Terrific contest. It really might have tipped either way. The margins were tiny.